Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe down below if you have not already. Today's video will be a tutorial on this wig that was sent to me from Luhair. I'll have all of their information, promo codes, and direct links down below in the description box, so don't forget to check down below for more information. So today we'll be working with a 13x6 lace frontal wig in the texture body wave. I did get this wig in 20 inches and it does come with a fake scalp. This wig comes with 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and a detachable elastic band. Okay, so I'm going to start off by bleaching this hair first. I'm going to grab an empty mixing bowl. I'm going to pour my 20 volume cream developer into the mixing bowl, and then I'm going to add a few scoops of that BW powder lightener bleach into the cream developer, and then I'm going to begin to stir it using my whisk, and then I'm going to apply it to the wig. So I let the bleach process for about 25 minutes, and here are the results from bleaching the hair. I think that this color is so beautiful. I was thinking about putting a rinse on top of it, maybe dyeing it like a burgundy color, but I was so in love with the color that the bleach lifted the hair to that I didn't even want to alter the hair color in any way. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. It kind of gives me highlights and lowlights within the wig. Because the hair did lift in different sections to different levels. So I love the effect of that. And I did end up doing an ombre. So the roots are dark and it is like a golden blondish color. Okay, so the hairline did come pre-plucked, but as you can see, it does have like a curve where the hairline is, and my own natural hairline doesn't have that curve. So I would have to either add baby hairs where the 2 curves are, or I would have to part it and then cut it for a more circular shape. But before we get to that part, I do want to pluck some knots from the hairline because I do feel like it could look a little bit more natural. So I'm going to do my zigzag method to pluck the hairline. If you want a full tutorial, I do have that posted already. I'll have that link somewhere on the screen or down below in the description box. But we're going to basically pluck some more hairs from the hairline, but we're not going to pluck too much because this wig does come with a fake scalp, and if you pluck too much, then you're going to be able to see that fake scalp. So I'm just going to pluck and then spray some water and brush it just to check my work, and we're going to do that to the entire frontal portion of this wig. Okay, so now I'm starting to see that fake scalp show through the hairs, which means that I'm on the verge of plucking too much. So we're just going to stop right there and we're going to continue with the rest. Okay, so as you can see, the fake scalp doesn't come all the way to the edge of the wig, and we need that to be the same complexion, and we need it to match flawlessly with my skin color. So I'm going to have to go ahead and tint the lace and the fake scalp to be one uniformed color, and one uniformed color that's going to match my skin tone. So I'm just going to take this custom lace tint, and I am going to just basically tint the lace in the fake scalp. Moving moving on to the hairline, I'm just going to custom cut this wig to be my hairline shape, and I'm using a razor blade to do that and some food plastic wrap. After I do that, we'll be ready for the next step. I do want to show you guys how the frontal is looking. This is after I applied that lace tint to it. The fake scalp just takes this wig to a whole nother level. The fake scalp makes it look so good and so natural. I am really obsessed with the fake scalp on this unit. So I've been wearing like a lot of wavy hairstyles, and I do have a waver, but times where I'm in a rush or if I just don't feel like waving my hair with my curling iron, I have been just doing large braids and getting that wavy effect from the braids. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do that right now. It's the easiest hairstyle you'll probably ever do, and the results are so beautiful. Now, the results do vary depending on how big the braids are and whether or not you're using like a flexi rod with the braids or some type of rod at the ends. Similar to your own natural hair, you can get different types of results. So keep that in mind. I did do larger braids, and then the back had smaller braids, so it was different braid patterns in this wig. But I'm just going to do 4 braids. The 2 at the top are going to be more of a cornrow, and the 2 in the back are just going to be individual braids. So I'm basically just going to detangle the hair. I am spraying the hair with water. I'm also using mousse, and I'm using this S-Curl product. And that's basically just to allow the hair to have some type of product in it so that it can form that pattern of the braid, and just braid it and then allow the braids to set. Like when I'm doing this hairstyle, typically I'll do it like 2 hours before I have to be at a club or a party or an event. And by the time that I do my makeup and get to the actual event in my car, I'll usually like unloosen the braids, and they're so beautiful. The hair is a little bit damp typically, but the pattern of that braid has stayed in the hair. So it's such a easy, quick hairstyle to do. So anywho, I'm just going to do that and then I'll come right back. For this particular wig, I did allow the braids to set overnight, and here are the results from unloosening the braids the next day. You want to make sure that you're not getting that much frizz, because obviously the more you separate the braids, the bigger the hair will be. So I'm just going to take my time and try to unravel it as neatly as possible, and then I'm going to spray like some hair serum in the hair just so that it can have like some shine and sheen to it without being too greasy looking. And I was inspired by this hairstyle from the 80s, you know, that flip over method that they used to do back then with the wavy hair. I thought that was so cute, and I was also inspired from the 80s to do like a bright neon pink eyeshadow look, which I was obsessed with. So the whole look came out to give me like rebel from the 80s type of look, hashtag 1980s. Comment down below which decade was your favorite, because I've done so many different looks from every decade, but I've never done one from the 80s. So this video was super exciting for me. So anywho, this is how the style looks. I'm just going to put it on my head using Got to Be in the black tube as well as Got to Be in the yellow freeze spray bottle, and then I'll show you guys the final look. And here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. Check down below for more information about this company and for the direct link. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. It's Beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's Beige, Ojai.